for next activity, that is optimistic time is 8 plus what is your most likely time over here is 10. 10 plus 12 divided by 6. So that is 8 plus 40 plus 12 divided by 6. 60 divided by 6 equal to what is this? That is 10. So 10 is your answer here. That is 10. For next term. What is for next activity? Calculate 5. 5 is your optimistic time. 5, 8, 12. So using the same formula, calculate for next activity. What is the answer? Your next activity. Five plus 8 plus 12 divided by 6. That is same. 49 divided by 6 equal to 8.16. So this is your expected time for the activity. That is 8 plus 1 6. Now sum of expected time. So 8 plus 16 plus 10 plus 8 plus 16 is 26 plus 3 2. So this is your sum of expected time for part A. So same thing you have to do for all the parts. So next path is 1 to 2. So how you will write the path or activity over here for part B? So this is your part B. So for part B, what are the activity 1 to 2, 2 to 6, 6 to 8. So write it down 1 to 2, 2 to 6, 6 to 8. So for each activity, what is the optimistic time and pessimistic time? For 1 to 2, same, which we calculated in the part A. That is 6, 8, 11. 8.16. So same will be coming for your part B. So next is 2 to 6, 6 to 8. So what are the? So here, coming here, 2 to 6 is 4, 8, 14. 4, 8, 14. 6 to 8. 6 to 8 is here. 7, 10, 15. 7, 10, 15. So now what we will do? We have to say using the formula. Expected time formula we have to calculate for 4, 8 in 4, 8, 14. So calculate it, students. For 4, 8, 14, if we calculate, your answer will be, what will be your answer? 50 divided by 6, that is 8.3. So for next 7, 10, 15. The 10 into 4 times of 40. 40 plus 15 plus 7, is 62. 62 divided by 6 is 10.33. So what is the sum of your path B? 8.16 plus 8.3 plus 10.33. That is your 26.83. So next is part C. So you have to find out what are the activity you have for part C. What is your activity? 1 to 3 is one activity. 3 to 6 is the other activity. 6 to 8 is the another activity. So 1 to 3, what is your optimistic time, pessimistic time, most likely time? You have to take for 1 to 3 are one path, right? Take same. You are taking same this thing, no? 1, 2, 3, 6 to 8, 3 to 6, 6 to 8. So 1, 2, 3, that is 3, 7, 9. Next is the 8, 10, 12. Next is the 6 to 8 is the 7, 10, 15. So this 3 activity we are taking for part C. So write down 1, 2, 3 is 3, 3, 7, 9. So next for 3 to 6 what we have? That is 8, 10, 12. Next for 6 to 8 we have seen already in the path B. So same thing. 7, 10, 15, that is 10.33. So next calculate the expected time for this 1 to 3 and 3 to 6 activity. Use the formula, the same formula, that is TO plus 4 times of TL plus TP. What is the answer you are getting? Students calculated? Your 3 plus 4 times of 7 plus 9 divided by 6. Your answer is 6.67. So next for 8 plus 40 plus 12 divided by 6. Your answer is 10.00. The sum of the part C is 27.00. So next is the part D. So what is part D? You have seen already. So this is your part D. What we have to write 1 to 4 is one activity. 1 to 4 is one activity. 4 to 5 is other activity. 4 to 5. Next is 5 to 6. 5 to 6. Next is 6 to 8. 6 to 8. 6 to 8 is coming for path B also it's coming, path C also it's coming, path D also it's coming. So same thing you can write it down. 7, 10, 15, 10.33. Next for 5 to 6 we have to take the activity. Note down the activity, students. So you will be taking 1 to 4, write down 5 plus, we have seen here, 5, 7, 10. So for 4 to 5, we have 4, 6, 8. So I forgot to write over here. That is 5 to 6, you have 3, 5, 6. So this is your optimistic pessimistic time. Next same 6 to 7, 8 we have 7, 10, 15. So write it in your table. 7, 1 to 4 you have 5, 7, 10. Make a note. We have 5, 7, 10. So 4 to 5 what we had? 4 to 5 we have 4, 6, 8. 4, 6, 8. Next 5 to 6 we have 3, 5, 6. 3, 5, 6. So using the formula, calculate and tell me 1 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6. That is 7.17, 6.00, 4.83. So you got the all expected time for part B. Then you have to do the sum of all. So that is 7 plus 6 plus 4 plus 10. So what is the total is 28.83. So here that the question is we have to find the expected time for all path. That is path. What all path we had? A, B, C, D. So from the given sum, we got this 4 paths. So for 4 paths, we found the expected time. So path A, we got 26.32. 26.32. Part B we got 26.83. Part C we got 27.00. So next part D we got 28.83. So from question, the first we have to find the question. We have to find the expected time for all the paths. So second, in the question we have to find the critical path. So what is critical path is? So expected time. So this project can be completed in 20 path A. If you go in path A, we can complete this project in 26 days. If we choose path B, we can complete this project in same 26 days. So if we choose path C, we can complete this project in complete this project in 27 days. So if we choose path B, we can complete this project in 28 days. So what is the critical path over here? Compared to path A, B, C, D, what is critical path? The critical path is path D, because if you choose path D, it is taking more days. So your cost will be more, obviously. If the number of days are more, your cost will be more. So you don't want to choose a path D, right? So that we find that path D is critical since because it has 28 days. That is path D is maximum. So we are the critical path over here 28 days. So you have to write the path. You can't write path D. You have to write the full path D. 1, 4, 5, 8, 6. 1, 1, 4, 5, 5, 6, 8. because this is your critical path. You have to write we find that path D is critical since sum of expected time for this path is maximum. So this is your answer. This is your answer. So we have to do this table column, then only we can find the expected time. So we have to find all this critical path from the given diagram. This is your question. Your answer is you have found all the critical path, all the path and expected time, and you have found the critical path, and your answer is, so this is your critical path D. So that's all. Do you have any doubt? You can ask me at the end of the session. So next I will be giving you one problem. You can work out and tell me in the next class. So the next problem is, say you have to find the critical path. So this is your event and this is your activity. So 6, 10, 14. Your expected time, most likely time, and your optimistic time, most likely time, pessimistic time. So using the formula, you have to calculate it. So here you are having dummy activity. So you all know what is dummy. Dummy does not have any time resource. So for all the activity, I have written optimistic time. So this is your problem 2. Example 2. This is your example 2. So this is your network diagram. I have given you optimistic time, most likely time, pessimistic time, and you have to find, the question is, what you have to find is determine the expected time for each path. Expected time for each path. So you have to find the expected time. Next is the same. Which path is critical? Same like last problem. which path is critical. So you have to find out, they are asked you expected time for each path. So you have to find out all the paths. So how many paths you have to find out. Next you have to find what is the critical path. So here I have given you one dummy activity. So dummy activity doesn't have any optimistic time, pessimistic time, most likely time. So you have to put 0, 0, 0. So this is your dummy activity. So now you tell you have to find what are the paths. So how many paths are there? So you have to find out all the paths. That is, I will tell you 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 7 is one path. 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 7 is another path. And 1 to 2, 2 to 5, 5 to 7 is another path. Next, 1 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 7 is another path. Total you have 5 paths. That is A, B, C, D, E. So these are the 5 paths you have. So calculate expected time for all the 5 paths and do the sum of expected time and find which is more, which path has uh, more expected time. That is your critical path. Find out. This is your homework problem. So that's it. So this is your expected time for Pert analysis. If you have any doubt, you can ask me and work out this problem and tell me the answer. Thank you, students.